Hello, Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Salve, nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. At kung bago kayo dito, welcome din po kayo. Please subscribe, like, share my videos, and leave me a comment kung nakaresonate kayo. Thank you. So, Sag, we have reconnect. Secrets lurk in the captive shadows deep in the woods. Ayan. So reconnection, po pwedeng you are going to reconnect with the nature. You're going to reconnect with Mother Gaia, po pwedeng ganon. Or this is reconnection with God. Baka ngayon you're going to realize, na it's about time na for you to reconnect with the divine universe. 'Di ba? Baka matagal na kayo hindi nakakapagdasal. Matagal na kayong hindi man lang nakakapag-tune in, sa universe. So, yun. Now is the time na magkakaroon ka ng kaluwagan, sa oras to reconnect. We have ideal hours. Take some time out to lie on the emerald grass. Alright? So, ito naman ay talagang invitation para sa'yo na mag-unwind kayo, mag-ground kayo ng inyong sarili by spending time outside in nature. Okay? So what else? We have patience. Everything can be accomplished at nature's pace. Diba? Kailangan nating matutong magpasensya, Sagittarius. Okay? Hindi natin kailangang ipagsiksikan ang gusto natin. We don't need to do that. Kasi anyways, when divine timing comes, talagang it will happen kung ano yung gusto ninyo. Kung yan ay parte ng divine plan, kung yan ang makakabuti sa'yo, diba? Mangyayari at mangyayari yan. Pero hindi natin pwedeng i-impose yan sa universe, hindi ba? Because everything, alam naman natin, everything happens in divine order and timing. When it's not meant to happen, it won't happen regardless kung anong gawin natin, hindi ba? Kaya sa ngayon, you're being invited to be patient. To be patient. At lahat, mangyayari yan. Kung ano man yan ang dapat mangyari, it will happen in God's perfect timing. Kaya, just allow, sabi dito, everything can be accomplished at nature's pace. So, just allow the destiny to unfold at its own pace. Hindi natin kailangan madaliin yan. The more na minamadali natin, the more na pinapressure natin, pinipwersa natin, mas lalong lumalayo, hindi ba? Mas lalong naaantala. Yung ganun. So, we also have number 8, positive movement forward. So, this is you moving forward. This is you going to thrive on the way to growth, Ang karamihan sa inyo dito sa Sagittarius, which is really good. Very promising. Ang mga sitwasyon na paparating sa inyo. You're heading towards the light. You're heading towards pag-asenso, pag-thrive, pag-grow, so which is really good. Travel also is imminent dito for some of you. Triumphant success, napakaganda, Kung meron kayo dito mga problema, ito na yung time na masosolve mo na yan. Ito na yung time na maaano mo na yan, hahanapan mo na ng solusyon. Ito yung time na pagtatagumpayan mo na ito, Sag. And also, this is something na talagang maaano ka na. Tawag dito, mapapagtagampayan mo na yung hirap, Kasi po pwede rin na hindi ito pera na problema. Pwedeng yung problema na ito is emotional, 'di ba? Baka may mga emotional turmoil, pwedeng related sa relationship, pwedeng sa pamilya, pwedeng sa opisina. Nahihirapan ka na emotionally. Pwedeng yun ang pagtatagumpayan ninyo. Or it could be anything, 'di ba? Collective reading. So, iba tayo ng sitwasyon rito. Kaya, pwedeng kung ano man ang problema pinagdadaanan ninyo, you are going to succeed over that. Mapagtatagumpayan mo yan, mahahanapan mo na yan ng solusyon. Kaya, congrats. We have heart chakra. Possible na emotional burden, emotional turmoil. yung inyong pagtatagumpayan rito. Kasi heart chakra, this is the energy center natin na nag-govern ng ating emosyon, feelings. Ito yung puso natin, 'di ba? And feeling ko rito there is healing, no? There is healing sa puso ninyo sa ngayon. So, most likely, yung pagtatagumpayan ninyo rito, problema sa puso, problema sa karelasyon, sa pamilya, sa someone, no? Problema ninyo siguro ito with someone whom you have a emotional investment. So, po pwedeng kaibigan, 'di ba? Baka nagkaaway kayo, meron kayong hindi pagkakaintindihan. So, maaring 'yon ang nagpahirap, no, sa damdamin ninyo. Pwedeng ganon. But now, with the heart chakra, feeling ko, this is going to be healed. Kung ano man ito, mapagtatagumpayan mo talaga, masosolve nyo na to, mahahanapan mo tayo ng solusyon sa ngayon. You know? So, yun. What else? We have shadow. This is fears, facing your fears. So, which is really good. Kasi kahit ito, yung takot na nararamdaman ninyo or lagi kayong takot in the past siguro, takot kayo of something. Diba? Takot kayong mag-take action. Or takot kayong makipag-usap, takot kayong magpahayag ng inyong nararamdaman, di ba? Whatever that is, fear na nararamdaman ninyo, feeling ko ngayon you're going to overcome that. You are going to surpass that, you are going to surpass that fear na ito. Mahaharap mo na ito sa ngayon, Kaya congrats sa'yo. Thank you for watching Love and Light. Namaste.